And we will continue our session with digging into mental health problems and what digital health can do to prevent people from getting sick or to make mental health care more effective. And for that, I'm really happy to present to you our next guest, Holly, who is a co-founder of the company Host Tool Shop and one of the most renowned digital health entrepreneurs in Stockholm. I can say that. So welcome, please, and just share with those who haven't been with us in the T1 room, what have you been talking about and why this is so important?
Thank you for having me here, Dina. Yes, so in the session we talked about the companies presented by Stockholm Business Region on their list, hot list, and most of all, why these companies in Stockholm, these startup companies, will succeed by being from Stockholm, and why Stockholm is a great hub for being a digital health startup.
So basically, what was your solution about? Can you just give a glimpse, a sneak peek to our followers? What have been you presenting?
Yes, so what we are doing is an app for patients suffering from depression or anxiety, but it's distributed by their therapists to be used in between the sessions. So the therapists give the application to the patient. The patient uses the application between the sessions because the time between the session is it's not used in an effective way. Yet there is where health happens between the sessions. So what the app is doing is basically helping the therapist and patient to plan these activities, these homeworks that we call them, and to help the patient to be more engaged and to accomplish these small activities.
So as an experienced entrepreneur, so what is, if I will just ask you what exactly Digital Health Hub in Stockholm means for you, how do you experience how Stockholm helps you to push your idea forward?
Yeah, so one of the biggest features or the biggest strengths being in Stockholm, I think, is the whole startup scene. All the startup companies here today in Stockholm, of course with Spotify and Klarna, but also the next generation, so to say, Ticktail, Vint, all these other really cool Stockholm startups. I think they are pushing us to become more consumer focused, because they are bringing a lot of design and end user thinking into their solutions. So I think that's the biggest and the greatest mix that we can provide to our users. The great engineering culture, of course, the developing culture, but also the design and user experience that Stockholm startup is well known for.
So entrepreneurial spirit and this knowledge when it comes to technology and design.
Exactly,
as well.
And primarily on the end user, the end user focus.
So what is your goal for basically Digital Health Day 14 and how you will see yourself at Digital Health Days 15? So what is your focus here? Get investment, meet partners, and what will be next year?
Yeah, I mean, I think this event is great. I was here last year, and a lot is, of course, meet and greet and just say hi to everybody in the community. I think that's a great chance to do that because this community is growing, and you want to be a part of it, of course. And at this stage, we are looking for funding, so that's another great thing, of course, to
meet with investors,
exactly,
and partners,
and see what other entrepreneurs are working on. I mean, that's always so exciting.
So in Digital Health Days 2015, what is the plan?
Yeah, so our next plan for the company is to raise even more money the end of next year. So I think coming back here next year is to even more focus on the investment part and meet great investors, because I think Digital Health Days is starting to bring these great investors to this spot here.
Okay, this is great. So I'm not going to hold you from investors anymore. We have a big agenda. Thank you so much for coming, and I wish you good luck.
So
and see you at Digital Health Day 2015.
Of course.
Next
Thank you so much.
Good luck. Good luck. Thank you.